1. We are back at 25 again. You just heard about the deal, which encompasses 4 different groups of being healthier for one price, which is a great deal. But I think most people ask the question, what's the process, right? So you hear about it from your friends, you're going to the grocery store and people go, oh, I'm doing that 25 again. Well, what happens when you pick up the phone and call 425-0500 and you make an appointment for yourself, or if a couple wants to come in together, that's even better. What happens when they hang up the phone? This is Jennifer. She's a nurse practitioner here at 25 again. What happens when we get the appointment, hang up the phone, and show up? What happens from there?
So you get a free 1-hour consult. We go over your symptoms, what's going on with you, and then generally we'll get labs. You'll come back in a week, and we discuss a comprehensive plan. This is kind of this is an example of what it would look like. So green would be good. It's very simplified.
Right, look, simplified for guys like me, right? you get medical reports before and you're like, I don't know what this says. This is simple. It's green for good, red for bad. And
Exactly.
this is why it's custom, right, Jennifer? I mean, so, this person is a little low in estrogen. We need to get that level up, right? So, and all these are important things in your body that make you feel better.
Exactly. So some of these are hormones, some of these are supplements that you need for your body, just so that it will function properly. And then we take a comprehensive look at your blood sugars, your cholesterol panel, and then we come up with a tailored program to fit you and your needs.
All right, so very easy to read, and you pick up your phone, there's an app. So she said supplements. You order your app, boom, they have their own pharmacy. The meds are on your front porch most times in 24 hours. It really
Absolutely.
it's unbelievable, the system they have here at 25 again, and I hope you try it. You actually are a member here, actually.
Yes,
she works
ma'am.
here and she's a member, right?
Yes.
And you've lost some weight?
I've lost 29 pounds.
Come on in, man. It's time to lose some weight and get healthy with 25 again.
I said, Tony, 158.